here's how to perform a side plank. All right, so the starting position of the side plank, you're gonna make sure that your elbow, your shoulder, and your top shoulder are stacked on top of each other. You want your feet stacked here as well. And then there should be pretty much a straight line going from your heel to your hip all the way up to this shoulder here. You shouldn't have any sagging like so, or you don't want to be way up here like this, okay? Nice neutral position. Head's gonna be in a neutral position as well. When you're here, your top arm could rest like this, or you could rest it like this. From this top position, you don't want your top shoulder to be forward or angled downward. You want it to be here like so. So chest should be completely visible from the front view. If you're leaned forward like this, you're not getting the most benefit out of the exercise, okay? So again, stacked, elbow, shoulder, top shoulder, straight line, ankle, hip, shoulder, and my arm is resting right here, and my top shoulder is stacked here. And that's how you perform a side plank. See you in the next video.